So yeah, if you're looking for a channel where you get quick, fast, simple recipes, you have definitely came to the right channel. Hi you all, welcome to Chells Kitchen. I'm so happy that you all was able to find my channel. On this channel you will get quick, fast, simple recipes. My channel specializes for the college students, the single moms, the single dads, the people where their mama never really cooked but they're out on their own and they don't have a clue. These are for people that have a clue but just need a little bit more clue, just need ideas. This is the channel. Simple recipes, delicious recipes. Like for instance, y'all, like my brother, I have a brother, he's a single dad, he has 2 daughters. I don't know if you all have a brother or not, but he's always asking me to cook, always calling me, seeing what I cooked, and I was like, this will be great for my brother, for instance. Quick, fast, simple recipes. I even tell you where to go buy that in the grocery store, so I try to make it as easy and as simple as possible. I don't know about you, but I don't have all day to be in the kitchen cooking, especially after I don't work all day. So again, this is quick, fast, simple recipes, in and out the kitchen, feed your kids and go on about your day. You know, every recipe I make, it should be done within 30 to 45 minutes. So quick, fast, simple recipes. This is an edutainment channel because I'm just so entertaining and a little silliness, delicious recipes, yummy recipes. Everything I do is fast. I don't know about y'all, but everything I do is fast. I talk fast, I walk fast, I cook fast. It don't take all day to do nothing. My mama always told me that. It don't take all day to do nothing. So I am from Kansas City, home of the Champs. Y'all see those Chiefs. I know y'all see them. While you're here, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead. I'm going to give you a moment. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Are you done yet? And then hurry up too, because I ain't got all day. I just told y'all that. It don't take all day to do nothing, so just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So yeah, I'm going to try to make a video. I'm trying to make at least like 2 videos every... You know what, let me stop lying, because I don't know. I'm at least get in the kitchen at least once a week for y'all. I can promise you that I can try to drop a video at least once a week. I want to hit that subscribe button. This is Chells Kitchen. And y'all make sure y'all comment in the comment section. Anything you want me to make or anything you want to see me make, comment and I got you.